All right, everybody, welcome back to the Big Mukbang Theory. I'm KT, and tonight it is Cacio E Pepe. That's right, Cacio E Pepe. I feel like I'm Italian already. Paya! One of the first things you'll need is freshly grated Pecorino Romano. It's a salty cheese, Italian cheese. You want to just get your cheese grater and just start grating it. You might want it fine, you want it a little more coarse. It just depends on how you like to make it. You'll also need some ground black pepper or crushed black pepper. And the type of pasta you'll need is bucatini. Bucatini is the pasta of choice when you're making Cacio E Pepe. Say it with me, Cacio E Pepe. Paya! Right? That's the pasta of choice. It's like spaghetti, but it's hollow inside, and it's thicker than normal spaghetti. So the first thing you'll need to do is spoon off some of the pasta water from your boiling pasta into the pan. And then you're going to add some of your pecorino cheese into the water. And then you'll ground some pepper in there, some fresh cracked pepper, and you'll mix it up, and you'll see it it'll start to make a little sauce in there. It'll thicken up. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to start taking your pasta and adding it to the mix, adding it to your pan. After about 8 minutes of cooking, because you're going to cook it for about another 4 minutes here, and you'll start to see your pasta start to soak up the little water that you put in. But you keep adding your pasta, add a little more cheese, and you got to kind of play with it. But I see that it's drying out a bit, so now I'm going to just add some more water, because I'm getting ready to toss in a large amount of the pecorino cheese, and then it'll start to thicken up. Nice and wonderful. So now I'll add in some more pecorino, mix it in, and you want to just keep mixing it in, the pecorino, until it just gets nice and thick. It's starting to thicken up right there on the tongs. Paya! Like so. It's a healthy portion. Woo! Cacio e Pepe. Nice compliment to a chicken breast. And you gotta eat your vegetables. So we have broccoli too. So that's our dinner tonight. See you next time.